What's up, guys? It is Sunday. Happy Sunday to you. It is 5:30 and the supermarket closes at 6 p.m. So I'm gonna head there right now. Because I need to get a case of water. I'm gonna be donating a case of water as well. And then in the coming days and weeks, I'll be donating more. To be honest, I don't have any clothes per se to donate because I think prior to my moving to this current place, I did go through some stuff and all of that. So I don't think I have anything to give away, but I'm still gonna look. I'm sure I can find something to give away. But I don't have the most stuff I do have is clothes that you can wear out that I could possibly give away. But I'm gonna look. I'm gonna look and see. By the way, if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram and TikTok, please go ahead and do so. I have been posting on both platforms to give updates on Hurricane Melissa and everything. And as I told y'all in the previous vlog, I was not affected, thankfully, but there's so much devastation going on within our country. Anyways, I'm gonna head out to the supermarket, get a case of water. So tonight is Sunday, like I said, so it's Isle of Soul. So they're, asking for donations for stuff. I had wanted to give sanitary, but napkins, but I don't have a Price Mart card and it's cheaper in Price Mart, right? But I didn't get the card from a friend, and then who I know that has a card, because it's a membership supermarket basically. So who I know have membership, they wasn't able to go today or over the weekend. So I'm just gonna get case of water, which water is essential as well. So I'm gonna get that, and I don't think I can make it to Isle of Souls tonight. I just feel like I want to stay home. So I may get it to the organizers a different day, or I did text one of them because I know one of them to say, hey, I have this to contribute. If you can pick up, let me know, or I'll take it to them in the week. Let's head out and go to the supermarket. I'm also gonna get some dinner. I only have eggs and plantain from morning. Yep, nothing else. Have not had anything else from morning. So, gonna get supermarket dinner, gas. Oh, gas is the first thing. I'm running out of gas. There's no gas in my car. And then I'll see what we get into for tonight. Let's go. So, done with the supermarket. They didn't have the water brand that I wanted, so I'm just gonna just go on the road tomorrow and get it. I did text the organizer and tell him, say, hey, I have that to contribute, so I'll try to get it to him in the week. So I went to KFC line. Well, I have to pass KFC. I have to pass Popeyes to go KFC. So I looked at Popeye's line, pretty decently short, short. Reach up at KFC, the line was crazy. So you know who turned back? Me. So I'm just gonna order me some Popeyes. Popeyes is my favorite as well. So, but I really wanted some barbecue zinger. I really feel for a burger, and I don't want Burger King burger. I want KFC barbecue zinger burger. But the line is crazy, and I'm not doing it to myself. I'm not, like I said, I'm not in the KFC cult where I would join those long lines just for that. So Popeyes it is, baby. Popeyes it is, until when I feel again for a zinger, I will go buy it, as long as the line is short. But that line was crazy. Yeah, may I have a two-piece combo? Can I get 2 legs?
Only got spicy available right now.
Only spicy? I'll take it. But can I get 2 legs, please?
Sure.
And you have the sweet tea sauce?
Yes, I do.
May I have that as well, please? And Coke for the drink.
Anything else?
That's it.
$1,155.
Alright, thanks.
Sure, thanks.
Guys, you know, say I took the charger out of my car. So let me tell you, when Storm Melissa was coming, I took out Hurricane Melissa, though. When Homegirl was coming, I took out my car papers, my chargers, everything out of the car, like just in case, you know what I'm saying? So I took it out of my car, the car charger, and I can't find it anywhere. And the only car that can work in my car is USB connection, and I only have one USB connection cord, and that was one in the car, and I can't find it. So I don't have no charger in my car right now. I'm just gonna have to dig up the place and find it. So it's a Monday, so happy Monday, y'all. So I wanted to just come on and give you guys an update of what's happening. So one of my friends called me this morning to just give me, you know, letting me know that they're gonna organize like a group of us, small group of us, plus we're gonna go down with security to Westmoreland this Saturday to, you know, donate some stuff that we have. So we're all just gonna pool together and you know, go down and help the persons who have been affected by Melissa. So yeah, I'm geared up for that. I have been doing my small part in donating. What I'm thinking to do, I know that it's not only food alone they need blankets, you know, probably a sleeping bag, a sleep cot, something, even chairs. So I'm thinking to probably, you know, the camping chairs that can be the foldable chairs. I'm thinking to see if I can get some of those. I know the Harbor Dashery sells it in half a tree. So within this week, my camera look. Yeah, within this week I'm gonna get those chairs and the case of water. So that will be my contribution. Also clothes. Tonight I'm gonna go through some. I know I did say that most of the clothes that I have, they're just mostly going out clothes, but I'm gonna still check to see what I have that I can donate. And I remember I told y'all prior to moving here, I did like, you know, throw away stuff or give away stuff that I no longer wore. So I don't really have much to give, but I'm sure I can find 1 or 2 items to donate. Yeah, so that's what's going on today. So I'm working right now. So once I'm finished working and start figuring out, I'm gonna go through my closet and see what I can give. I was thinking to even, you know, people probably need shoes or sandals, so maybe I can buy, you know, 1 or 2 sandals to donate. It's just so crazy. I think going downtown right now would have probably been like the perfect thing that you can get shoes and, you know, those Crocs, those, you know, knockoff Crocs, those that don't, going downtown at a market would have been so perfect. But I don't go downtown, yeah. I would have to ask my mother to go down with me. But I can get them in half a tree. I can get them closer to me, but it may just not be at a great price. But yeah, but a lot is going on. A lot. But once I'm finished working and I start like figuring out my closet, then we will pick up back. It is 2:20, so I'm just gonna finish working on all of that. But yeah, that's what's going on. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, just go ahead and do that. Like the button that you're seeing, thumbs up the button, and just follow me on all socials too as well, you know. Anyways, let's get back to work.
No cap.
Yeah.
I took the top off. I'm tripping like hot sauce. I got drinking this clean route. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without.
So guys, it's the next day. Remember I told y'all yesterday I was gonna try to look for some clothes to donate. Yeah, that shit did not happen. So we're gonna do it tonight. It's Tuesday. What time is it? other phone is all the way over there. Oh, it's Tuesday at 7:30, 45, 7:40 something. Yeah, almost 7:50. So I remembered, okay, I remember that, if you guys don't know, I used to have an online clothing store, and I had a sale like a couple months ago, but all the stock, everything did not get sold off. So I have a bunch of remaining stock, and then literally it's today I remembered that I have some stock. So we're gonna go through my old online clothing business stock, then we're gonna go through a garbage bag right here, and most of this, yeah, and then we're gonna go through the garbage bag. Let's go to the newer stuff that has never been worn yet. And even though I'm just gonna show you guys it, but I'm not gonna give away everything that's in it, whether if it's going out clothes and new, because they're brand new and we are gonna get back to normalcy. So yeah, I'm gonna just, yeah, like this. Okay, so this is, I'm not gonna, if they're in the packet like this, I'm not gonna like pull it out. It's just gonna take a while, and the girl wants to go and watch Netflix. So yeah, so this is a large. I know this is a tight suit, the top and tights. This one is the same thing. This is large, this is a top and a tights. You know what, I'm just gonna go through, but I'm gonna pack back everything in a container, and I'm gonna bring the container with me on Saturday. By the way, my friend has not confirmed. He needs to call me to confirm the plans and stuff like that for Alta Town. So I guess I'll call him tomorrow and figure that part out. This is some sequence thing. I have a what do you call it? I have a copy of this. I have one like this. It's like, but I'm lost for words, y'all. It's like I'm lost for words. Let me see. Ooh, okay. This green dress. I remember I told y'all there are a lot of items. They're mostly going out stuff. So this is a tight skirt. Okay, that can go. This is what? Oh, this is not a clothing item. Ooh, this is definitely for somebody's birthday. By the way, some of these stock, I've had them from probably 3 years, 4 years ago. This is what? This is a dress. It's a cute dress. Put this back in the bag. Let's see this. Oh, this is a tight. This is a large. Ooh, this is cute. There's a leggings and this top. You know what? If I can find pictures of them, the model pictures, I'll just add a picture on the screen too. But these are some good stuff. I have one like this too. Like, these quality are so good. These quality stuff. It's the same thing. A set. You see this? These are some dress. Yeah, I don't know what they're gonna do with this, y'all, but they're brand new. Okay, somebody can even resell them too. You know what I'm saying? Now I have like I have one like this too. This is a medium. This is a cute jumpsuit. You guys probably can't even see it, but it is so cute. I'm gonna add the pictures. Hopefully I still have them. Now this is cute. So cute. Alright guys, so I'm gonna, like I said, all of these stuff I'm just gonna give them away. So I'm just going through it because I know I have some business cards in here. I have some stickers. I just want to ensure that I look through the container before I give it away. I'm not giving away any crap, you know. This is another set. This is what. Okay. Alright, so this is what's left in the bag. I'm just gonna what's not closed, I'm just gonna remove everything out of this, and then I'm gonna repack them, and then we're gonna go through this garbage bag right here.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body.
Alright, so this is all garbage. So I'm gonna put this over here. No, the container is super dirty. So that means I'm gonna have to throw this away. So I'm just gonna put it in my hallway for now. These clothes I just move it to the side, and then tomorrow I'm actually gonna wash it because this has not been washed in years. It's filthy to say the least. So wash this tomorrow, have it dry, then pack the stuff. And it makes sense, right? Yeah, we can't give a dirty container. Ew. So why did I was going to read? I don't know.
Whoever makes it,
I wasn't gonna wash it. The girl wasn't gonna wash it. That's bad on me. All right, push the bit over to the side. I'm going to get the garbage bag right now.
Thank you.
All right, I'm going through the bag. Let's see what's in the bag.
No, we'll focus our efforts on the Vita Solar River. But I want patrols to look out for.
This is nice. I can give this away. I think I have another one like this, you know.
Knows about
I'm not
that. That's tomorrow
mistaken.
immediately. Okay.
By the way, this bag has been under my bed for a while, and the reason being for that, let me turn on the TV. The reason being this bag has been under my bed for a while is because I have no space. The girl don't have no space, so hence why I add them in the garbage bag, because they were if I'm gonna keep them or not. Plus I didn't have any space, so that's that. I know some of these stuff in it I am definitely gonna keep because I haven't some of them I do want, so I'm not gonna give away everything in the bag. Knowing what I know what's in the bag, that's not everything I'm gonna give away. I think I'm gonna try this to see if I'll still like it. Ooh, this is my carnival costume. Let me look at it. One of my many carnival costumes. Because the girl loves carnival. Yeah, so cute. Alright, so that's it for the bag. So I'm gonna tomorrow what I'm gonna do, so when I wash out the container and just pack up the stuff them in the container tomorrow, I'll just show you guys just a little part of that. I'm not gonna show you guys like when I'm packing it or whatever. I'll just show you a little video of the container and what I would be giving away. So yeah, but guys, if you can donate food, clothing, medical stuff, like please go ahead and do so. Monetary too, like anything you can do to help. like, please go ahead and do so. Please, I implore you guys. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching the short video, and come Saturday I'll keep you guys posted on Saturday. Hopefully still on. Like I said, I haven't spoke back to my friend to confirm, but even if it's not going to be this weekend, I'm pretty sure, well, I'm not pretty sure, but I guess I'll see what happens. I don't want to speak too much on it because I don't know what's happening, but you guys will be updated, like if I'm going or not, and if I'm not going, or if I'm just going to drop off these items to Food for the Poor or another organizer. So yeah, I'll see you guys on another video.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and me.